I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to claim Steam keys. First, ensure you have your unique Steam key readily available, usually found in your purchase confirmation email or on a giveaway website. Next, launch the Steam application on your desktop. Once it's open, look for the Games menu located at the very top of the Steam client window. This is where we'll begin the activation process. From the Games menu, you'll see an option labeled Activate a Product on Steam. Click on this to open a new window. Read the brief introduction, then click Next to proceed. You'll then be presented with the Steam subscriber agreement. Take a moment to review it, and if you agree to the terms, click I agree to move forward with the activation. Now you'll see a field where you need to enter your product code. This is your unique Steam key, typically a 15-digit alphanumeric code. Carefully type or paste your key into this box. Double-check for any typos, as even one incorrect character will prevent activation. Once you're confident the key is correct, click the next button to submit it for validation. If your key is valid, Steam will confirm the successful activation of your product. The game associated with that key will now be permanently added to your Steam library. You'll then have the option to install the game right away, or you can choose to install it later from your library. Congratulations! You've successfully claimed your Steam key and added a new game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.